Listen up about this wonderful seed. You think you know about healthy eating? You think you've got it all figured out with your fancy powders and your overpriced supplements? Well, let me tell you something. Sometimes the simplest ingredients pack the biggest punch. These tiny seeds can make a big impact on your health. Discover how. We're diving deep into the world of chia seeds, those little nutritional bombshells that the Aztecs prized for centuries. Get ready to learn, because we're about to transform your understanding of healthy eating. Right, let's get one thing straight. Chia seeds are not just some trendy new fad. These little fellas have been around for centuries, fueling ancient civilizations like the Aztecs. They were so vital for their energy and stamina that they bloody worshipped them. And let me tell you, these warriors knew a thing or two about strength and endurance. They wouldn't touch anything that didn't give them a fighting chance. So, when I tell you chia seeds are powerful, you better believe I know what I'm talking about. Now let's get down to business. What makes these tiny seeds so bloody special? We're talking about a nutritional profile that would make even the most seasoned chef weep with joy. 2 tablespoons, just 2 tablespoons of these babies, and you're talking fiber, protein, omega-3s, the good fats, not the ones clogging your arteries. And don't even get me started on the minerals calcium, magnesium. It's like a who's who of essential nutrients. You want to perform at your best? Then you better be fueling your body with the best. No excuses. Listen, I've seen some right disasters in the kitchen, but nothing is more horrifying than a sluggish digestive system. You want to feel bloated and uncomfortable all the time? Didn't think so. That's where chia seeds come in, like a knight in shining armor, here to rescue your gut. They're packed with fiber, which acts like a broom, sweeping out all the crap and keeping things moving. Regularity, my friends, is the key to a happy life. Don't underestimate it.
Now, I'm not one to shy away from a bit of butter, but when it comes to your heart, you need to be smart. Chia seeds are loaded with those heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids I mentioned earlier. They're like tiny warriors fighting inflammation and lowering cholesterol. Think of them as your personal bodyguards, protecting your ticker from all the nasty stuff that tries to take it down. You've only got one heart, so you better treat it right.
Listen up, you sugar fiends. If you're constantly spiking and crashing, your energy levels are going to be all over the place. Chia seeds can help stabilize those blood sugar levels, which is crucial for everyone, but especially those of you battling diabetes. Think of them as the steady hand you need to keep everything in check. No more sugar highs and lows, just sustained energy to power through your day.
You want to end up brittle and weak like an overcooked piece of asparagus? Didn't think so. Calcium and phosphorus, 2 minerals that are crucial for strong bones, are jam-packed into these tiny seeds. We're talking about building a solid foundation from the inside out. So, ditch the sugary drinks and start incorporating chia seeds into your diet. Your bones will thank you for it.
Now, I'm not promising you'll magically lose 10 pounds overnight, but chia seeds can be a valuable tool in your weight management arsenal. That potent combination of fiber and protein will keep you feeling fuller for longer, so you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks. Remember, it's all about balance and making smart choices. And trust me, your waistline will thank you for choosing chia seeds over that bag of crisps.
Chapter 8. Antioxidants fight back. We're living in a world full of toxins and pollutants, all trying to attack our bodies. It's a bloody battlefield out there. But fear not, because chia seeds are here to fight back with their army of antioxidants. These little warriors protect your cells from damage, keeping you fighting fit and healthy. So next time you're feeling under the weather, reach for some chia seeds and give your body the support it needs. Title: Easy Incorporation, no excuses. Now I know what you're thinking, Chef Ramsay, I'm already slammed in the kitchen, I don't have time for complicated recipes. Well, listen up, because incorporating chia seeds into your diet is easier than boiling water. Sprinkle them on your salads, blend them into your smoothies, or even add them to your baking. They're incredibly versatile and practically tasteless, so you can sneak them into anything without ruining the flavor. No excuses.
Alright, you lot. I'm feeling generous. so I'm going to share 2 of my favorite chia seed recipes. Don't worry, they're so simple even you can't mess them up. First up, we've got the 3-ingredient chia pudding. It's the perfect breakfast or snack to keep you feeling full and satisfied. All you need is
3-ingredient chia pudding asterisk. 1/4 cup chia seeds. 1 cup almond milk, or any milk of your choice. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. Instructions. 1. Combine all ingredients in a jar or container. 2. Stir well to ensure the chia seeds are evenly distributed. 3. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. 4. Top with your favorite fruits, nuts, or granola before serving.
Next up, we've got the chia seed smoothie. It's a quick and easy way to get your daily dose of nutrients. Here's what you need.
Chia seed smoothie. 1 banana asterisk. 1/2 cup spinach. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 cup almond milk or any milk of your choice. Instructions. 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth and creamy. 3. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately.
Title Chia Seeds, don't be a lazy sod. There you have it, you lot. Everything you need to know about the incredible power of chia seeds. Embrace the healing power of chia seeds in your daily routine. Don't be a lazy sod and tell me you don't have time for healthy eating. These recipes are so simple, a toddler could make them. Now get in the kitchen and start experimenting. Share your favorite chia seed recipe in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to @eathealthy_7 for more healthful tips and recipes. Now go forth and conquer your health.